Okay, now in this video I'm going to continue with question 2. If you know that you've not checked the previous video, please go ahead and check it before you come to this one. I'm down solving to question 1. Let's move on to question 2. Yes. Now, so the question 2 is, if today is the first time you have this matter, make sure you subscribe to my channel and then you recommend the video to as many SHS students or university students. Yes. Now, let's talk about question 2. Question 2, we have 2 exponent 2s squared minus 8 equal to 1. Now at this point, I have to make sure that the bases are the same. So it means that I have to convert this particular 1 to base 2. And you know that 2 exponents 0 will give us 1. So in other words, this 1 is the same as 2 exponent 0. Then we equate the bases. Please like the video and then share. So we have 2 exponent 2s squared. That 1 is equal to 2 exponent 0. Now at this point, since the bases are the same, it means the exponents are also the same. So I have to equate the exponents. So let's equate the exponent. We have 2s squared minus 8 is equal to 0. Now at this point, we have to factorize to get the value of x. So what I'm going to do is that first I'm going to factorize 2 out. So I'm going to get s squared, 2 going to 4, 2 going to 8 4 times. Now at this point, I can divide through by 2. Now I'm going to divide through by 2, divide through by 2. I'm going to get 2 will cancel 2. So we have s squared minus 4 equal to 0. Now this s squared minus 4 is equal to 0. I see this one as difference of 2 squares. So difference of 2 squares is the same as s squared minus 2 squared equal to 0. But this one is difference of 2 squares. Now at this point, how do we operate on difference of 2 squares? If I have a squared minus b squared, then it is the same as you add the bases, then you subtract the bases. That is difference of 2 squares. So at this point, it means that I have to add a base and I'll subtract the bases. So from here, we can continue. We have x minus 2 or plus 2, adding the bases, and then x minus 2 equal to 0. Now when 2 factors multiply to give you 0, it means either one of them is 0 or both of them are 0. So I have to take the first one, s plus 2 equal to 0, x equals minus 2. Then I'll consider the second bracket. S minus 2 squared 0. So we have x equals what? 2. So therefore we have gotten 2 answers for x. So we have x is equal to 2 or negative 2. It's very simple like that. So look at the process, very simple. If today is the first time you're listening, make sure you go and watch the previous video. I've solved similar questions in our previous video. This one I'm just solving some nice questions. Now let's go to question 3. Now, question 3, we are supposed to solve this particular question. Question 3, we have 16x plus another 16 exponent x equal to 1. Now, it depends on how you want to solve this question, but I think this question is very simple. Now let's see how we're going to solve. Now, this one is 16 and that's 16. Just like if you have y plus y, we're going to get 2y, right? You just have to add a coefficient. So I'm going to add a coefficient for this one. We have 2 of what? 16 exponent x equal to 1. At this point, I can divide through by 2, or I can express 16 as the base of 2. You know, we have 16. 16 is the same as 2 exponent what? 16 is the same as 2 exponent 4. I can do it like that. So let's go. We are going to have 2 multiplying 16. 16 is 2 exponent 4. Now the 4 will come and multiply the exponent x. So we have 4x here equal to 1. Now don't forget that the 2 and then the 2 exponent 4 is they are multiplying. And per the law of indices, when they are multiplying, when 2 numbers are multiplying the same base, you have to add the exponent. So this one has exponent of 1, this one has exponent of 4x. The multiplication means addition. So we have 2 plus 4x equal to 1. Now at this point, okay, let me even change here. Now, okay, 1. Now since this one is having a base of 2, I can convert this one to base 2. 1 is the same as 2 exponent 0. So we have 2, 1 plus 4x equal to 2 exponent 0. Now since the base are the same, it means the exponents are also the same. So I'm going to have 1 plus 4x equal to 0. Then I'll solve for x. So we have 4x equals to minus 1, x equals minus 1 out of 4. Just as simple as that. Please like the video, don't just watch and go. Like the video, tap on the like button. Yes, and after that, share the video to friends. Make sure you copy it and keep it in your notebook. Now let's move on to the last question, question 4. Question 4. Now question 4, we have 16 exponent x minus 4 exponent x. Question 4, 16 exponent x minus 4 exponent x is equal to 4 exponent x. Now this mathematics, you don't have one way or one method of solving mathematics. So the moment you see the question, you have to reason through it and then think about how you can solve it. You can solve this question in so many ways, but I'm going to use only one approach to solve. Now this one, what I'm going to do is that since we have 4 exponent x here and 4 exponent x here, what I want to do is that I want to group like them so that this one will go to this side of the equation. I'll have 16 exponent x is equal to 4 exponent x. This one is negative, so to become plus 4 exponent s. And I'm going to add this and this. Now, we have 16 exponent s equals to, this one is 2 of 4 exponent x, because we have 4 exponent s 2 times. Now, at this point, I'm having 2 here, 16 here, 4 here. What I'm going to do is I'm going to convert all the bases to be 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2. You know, 16 is the same as 2 exponent 4. The s will come and multiply the 4. 2. Now the 4 means 2 exponent 2. So multiply by the x. Now this one, you have 2 exponent 4, x is equal to 2. Since they are multiplying, this one's having the exponent of 1. So we add the exponent. So we have 1 plus 2x. Now at this point, since the base are the same, it means the exponents are also the same. So I need to equate the exponent. So we have 4x equal to 1 plus 2x. Now we group like terms. Then we easily solve for x. So x is equal to 1 out of 2. Just as simple as that. Now this is the last question we are done. Now let's move on to the next video. In the next video, I'm going to start with logarithm. Yes. So see you in the next video. Bye bye.